So now, I mean, it can change your life. What's that candle I'm talking about? I'm talking about a doji candle. So now look for the doji candle when the market has moved, has sold, or has bought and reached a certain support or resistance level. Then look for the doji candle if it has formed. Okay, it is always best when it forms on a certain level. Has it formed on a resistance or has it formed on a support level, guys? Okay, so now for example, that is our zone. When you come here, when you get a doji candle, that means it will be series. It will be a very indication for series. When you check this, can you see this doji candle right here? So it formed right here, showing to us that sellers are coming in for the move. Okay, sellers are coming in for the move. Okay, the market was bullish until it formed these signs that are showing that yes, we can turn to bearish. Okay, we are bearish. So now just know that when it forms on a certain zone, it will be really very nice. Can you see the move it made? Okay, it sold massively right here. So when you add it with your zones, for example, this is a demand zone. Okay, that is a demand zone. That means on the demand zone, we shall look for our doji candle. Okay, forming on our demand zone. When you look very closely on your demand zone, you will see that there is a doji candle that was formed right here. Okay, can you see the doji candle? When you look closely on this demand zone, okay, so after forming, can you see how the market reacted? Okay, so now just know this one candle can change your the way you're trading. Okay, so now we were here. After being here, we had a zone because it was a bullish market, but there was also another big fair value gap right here where we had also to look at. Okay, so now here we can also look for confirmations. So as here we shall come and look for doji candles. So now here there was a doji candle which was formed right here. It was our indication for a buy. So now after seeing it and it is on our demand zone, it is on our resistance zone, it is our high time to buy. Can you see that after forming it? Can you see where after that the market moved upwards on the very high speed? Then right here, when the market reached right here and formed this golden candle on our supply zone, then can you see how the market soared massively from there? So when you really combine this doji candle with market structure and pure price action, you'll get golden trades in the market. So if this video has helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading videos. Bye.